There is a famous English saying, work smart, not just hard. Many of us believe that the more we work, the more success we will gain. But in reality, hard work alone doesn't always bring results. There are thousands of people in this world who work from dawn till night yet remain poor. And there are others who work less but become wealthy. Do you know why? Because they don't just work hard, they work smart. Today's story shows how a simple young man named Surya learned to make money work for him, not just by sweat but with planning and wisdom. Surya was only 25. Since childhood, he was hardworking. He worked at a grocery shop in his village and spent the entire day handling the shop's tasks from morning till night. The owner liked him, and the customers appreciated his dedication. But deep inside, Surya felt empty. For the past 3 years, he had been saving regularly. Every month, he kept aside a portion of his income. But whenever he calculated the total, he felt disappointed. I worked so hard, yet this is all I managed to save. How will I ever grow? Surya realized just working hard isn't enough. He needed to use his money in a way that it would start working for him. In his village, everyone talked about one person, Karim Sahib, a wealthy businessman from the next village. He owned lands, businesses, and properties. But surprisingly, he never seemed busy. People would say, "We work from morning till night and still struggle." But Karim Sahib, he reads the newspaper under a tree, walks by the pond in the evening, spends nights with his family, and still earns 1,000 times more than us. Hearing this again and again, Surya wondered, how is that possible? One day he decided, no more waiting. I will go to him and learn. On a holiday, Surya went to Karim Sahib's house. He saw him sitting under a tree, drinking coffee with a peaceful smile on his face. Surya greeted politely and said, "Sir, I have been watching you for a long time. You're rich yet never busy. I work day and night, but my money grows very slowly. I want to learn how to make money work for me." Karim Sahib smiled gently. "You asked a very good question, Surya. You are young, and if you understand this now, you will go very far. Listen carefully. Earning money is not just about hard work. It is an art. If you use your money wisely, it will start working for you." 7 lessons 1 saving. The first step is saving. Always keep aside a portion of your income, but remember, never invest using loans. Debt will only weaken you. Even small consistent savings will take you forward. Surya nodded. He realized that disciplined saving is the foundation. 2. Avoid luxury, Karim Sahib said. Until it's necessary, don't buy expensive things. Phones, cars, luxury items, they reduce your money. They don't generate income. Instead, invest that money at the right time. Surya became quiet. He had wanted a new phone for a long time, but now he understood. First, he needed to build income sources. 3. Look for opportunities. See, Selim started a small Wi-Fi service with just a few thousand rupees. Another person started poultry farming. Even villagers are starting new ventures. You can start with a small amount too. Surya was shocked. He had been so busy working at the shop that he never noticed these opportunities. 4. Start small. Most people think they must have a perfect plan before starting. That's wrong. Start small. You will make mistakes and you will learn. But if you never start, nothing will ever happen. 5. Reinvest. When profit starts coming, don't spend it. Reinvest it again. Slowly, your income source will grow. Selim expanded his Wi-Fi network using his profits. That is how money grows more money. 6. Diversify. Don't depend on one income source. When one source becomes stable, create a second one. This reduces risk. If one stops, the other will support you. 7. Patience. The most important thing is patience. People fail because they want quick results. Remember, a tree doesn't grow in one day. It takes time. Never stop learning and be open to new knowledge. Hearing these 7 steps, Surya felt a new light awaken inside him. All his life he worked hard, but he never thought about working smart. As he prepared to leave, Surya said, "Thank you, sir. Today I understood. It's not only I who must work. My money must work for me too." He promised himself that from that day onward, he would start small, stay patient, and use his money wisely. Today's story teaches us, earning money is hard, but keeping it and growing it is even harder. But if we save regularly, avoid unnecessary luxury, look for opportunities, start small, reinvest profits, diversify income, and stay patient, then one day Money itself will work for us, and only then will we not just work hard, we will become truly successful.